Good day everyone, welcome to Hajjady class. In our previous video we are able to look at the laws of logarithm, and today we shall look at questions involving logarithm. Now today we'll be solving this question. We have log 27 into base 3 plus log 8 into base 2 minus log 3 raised to power 4 into base 9 minus 2 log 4 into base 16. In this question, the laws that we treated in our last video will be used in solving this question. And for you to learn more about the laws of logarithm, you can check the description below. It will be treated. The link will be pasted there. Now, in solving this, there's one thing that will serve as a clue for you. Here, the base, which is base 3, is an int. So the first thing that will come to your mind is how you can express this 27 into what? In base 3, okay? In powers of 3 rather. So for you to do this, and there's one thing you need to learn is to know the powers of numbers, the multiple of numbers. Now you agree with me that our log 27 can be expressed as log 3, where we have 3 raised to power what? 3 in this case, okay? And also here we have the same thing will be done to 2. It can be expressed in powers of 2, and here we have log 2 raised to power 3, okay, into base 2. If you proceed here, we have that minus log 3 raised to power 4. Looking at the denominator, the 9 can be expressed in powers of this 3. So 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 2. Okay? And lastly here we have minus 2 log. We can reduce this to the powers of 2. 4 is the same as 2 raised to power 2. While 16 is the same as what? 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that gives us 16. Now for us to proceed from the laws of logarithm that was treated here, when you have the log number having a power, the power will move to the back. So in this case we have 3 log 3 base 3, okay? So the powers have moved to the back, and for this we have this 3 will move to the back, okay? We have 3 log 2 base 2 minus, looking at this, the 4 will move to the back here, and we have 4. Now there's one thing I said regarding the law, if you check the previous video, is that if the base power is coming to the back, okay, if the base power is coming to the back, it's going to be in what? Reciprocal form. But this case, the 4 is coming, this is the 4. And if the 2 is coming to the back, we have it in reciprocal form, which is 1 over 2. Okay? Log, what do we have left here? We have 3 base 3. And lastly, we have 2 times, okay? In this case, if this 2 is coming to the back, we have 2. And the same thing here, if our 4 is coming to the back, we have what? Times 1 over 4, okay? And we have this to be what? Log 2 base 2, okay? This is what we have regarding that. Now, if we should proceed with this, there's one thing about logarithm. When we have log a base a, you all agree with me that this is 1, right? You can check the previous video regarding this. Here we have 3 log 3 base 3 is the same thing as 1, okay? Plus, okay, 3 log 2 base 2 is the same as what? 1. Minus, here 2 into 1, 2 in 4, 2. So we are left with ordinary 2 here. Log 3 base 3 is the same as what? 1, okay, minus 2 into 1, 2 in 4, 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So we are left with nothing here. We have 1. And log 2 base 2 here also gives what? 1. Okay, mathematically speaking, we have 3 times 1, which gives what? 3. 3 times 1 gives what? 3. Minus 2 times 1 gives what? 2. Minus 1 times 1 gives what? 1. Okay? 3 plus 3 gives 6. Minus 2 minus 1. Okay? 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. And that is the end of it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.